Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to unlock the bootloader on your Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. The first thing you are gonna do is turning on your phone. When your phone is turned on, go straight to the settings over here. Tap Connections, tap Wi-Fi, and connect yourself with any Wi-Fi network that's available. Then go back, and scroll all the way down to the About Phone. Here, tap the software information and tap Build Number until you see Developer Mode has been turned on. When it is, go back, and scroll further down. Tap Developer Options, and here, as you can see, we have something called OM Unlocking. Allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Tap this option, tap Turn On. Now you have to turn off your phone. Hold the power and volume down, power off and power off. And before you go further, remember that this process is with the data loss, so you will have all your data lost. And do a backup to avoid that. And apart from that, you have to remember that you have to have the official Samsung software. Now, if you have done that, these two options, OM unlocking and Wi-Fi, you have to prepare yourself a cable that supports the data transfer and is connected to your PC. Pardon me. When it is, you have to pardon me. You have to hold the volume up and volume down button at the same time, and while holding that, plug your cable into your phone. You'll go something to the download node and hold the volume up. If you hold that, you will see Unlock Bootloader menu. Here, click the volume up, and now your phone will be factory resetted. So as I said, you'll lose all your data. This phone bootloader is unlocked and its software integrity cannot be verified. Press power key to continue. Now we have to wait further and further. And now I will skip this whole process. I will show you the phone with the hello. Welcome. Now, as you can see, here we do have our phone factory resetted. But you have to remember that this is only the halfway go to the installing the custom ROM to your phone. It's because now you have to do this whole procedure of the setup, and then we have to do a couple of things more to install actually the different OS on our device. So let me set up this phone quickly, and we'll see again after the phone setup, so that I won't actually make you bored. Now, as you can see, we are here, and what we have to do now is, wait a moment, we have to just have our phone all set up, but let's not worry about that. Go to settings, tap on the connections right here, tap Wi-Fi, and connect to the Wi-Fi. Or if you have done it during the setup process, you don't have to actually connect to the Wi-Fi because you are already connected. And now we can go back from the Wi-Fi and scroll all the way down to not in the connections, in the normal settings, all the way down to the software update. Here, tap download and install, and now we are connected to the server. It's actually a trick that your phone will let you know. Wait a moment. Now we have to tap pause and go back, and now here we have to tap the About Phone and software information. Our servers let us know that here in this phone we have the bootloader unlocked. Here, turn on the developer mode by tapping Build Number once again. Go back, and here scroll even further to the developer options. Now, as you can see, you should have something like this. If you don't have something like this, you have done something wrong and you have to fix that. But as you can see here, we do have OM unlocking turned on and blue. What that means, not blue, it's grayed out, but it's enabled. What that means is that we do have our bootloader already unlocked, and we can now use another system on our device, another OS. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.